My name is Zenya. I'm the Community Garden Coordinator with UC-VEG.
And hi, I'm Cherish. I'm the Community Nutrition Educator with UC-VEG. And today we're going to be making broccoli soup. Place about a cup of cashews, raw cashews in this bowl, and then boil some water, and then you cover up the cashews with water. Set it aside for about 10 minutes so the cashew can become a little softer for blending. And now I'm gonna dice an onion. Now I'm just gonna chop out the broccoli and then I'm gonna wash it.
Right, and now we are going to blend the cashews and the vegetable broth. So we just added the potatoes and onions to the rest of the vegetable broth, and we're gonna let it simmer for about 5 minutes.
Now Zenya is gonna add in a teaspoon of dried basil, half a teaspoon of garlic, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground black pepper. And then she's gonna add in the broccoli as well.
Alright, we just had the broccoli soup simmer for around 10 minutes, and now we're gonna add in the cashew mix and nutritional yeast and some salt. If you prefer a more smooth soup, you can blend half of it in the blender and then put it back in the pot. So we just let the soup simmer for about 5 minutes more, and then you're ready to serve it.